Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Google Pixel 6 Pro cases 2021 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. After months of rumors and leaks, the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are now official. The two Google flagship phones have a new Tensor chip that was custom built for the Pixel 6 series, as well as updated camera technology. Google has finally created a truly flagship phone with competitive specifications and features across the board. If you've been waiting for the Pixel 6 Pro, we recommend that you look into the greatest Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro offers before purchasing the phone. Because the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro feature glass backs, it's a good idea to use a nice case to protect them. I have prepared this video guide for the best Google Pixel 6 Pro cases 2021, so let's get started. 4. Poetic Revolution. This is a tough case with the best protection for your phone and a built-in kickstand on the rear. This case not only includes a kickstand, but it also provides a lot of protection. If you drop your phone while wearing this case, the case's rough edges will almost surely protect it. The Google Pixel 6 Pro 6.7 inches protected from all aspects with this military-grade drop-tested case. Shock-proof, drop-proof, impact-resistant, and scratch-resistant. A case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The front hard frame's extra raised lips and corners give extra screen protection from drops, keeping your screen secure. 3. Kanger. This is a good option to consider if you enjoy having distinctive designs and patterns on your phone case. On the back, it has a black and white blended pattern that looks like the fun on a cow. With a black and white finish on the rear, this case has a distinct appearance. This case will appeal to everyone who enjoys colorful cases with unusual designs. It drastically transforms the appearance of your phone. Tire outline may be used to keep your hands from slipping and falling, so you won't have to worry about getting into any mischief. This phone cover is comprised of soft TPU and hard PC materials, providing excellent protection for your phone as well as improved shock and drop resistance. The popular cow pattern and non-deformable outer frame can not only protect your phone, but also retain the phone's appearance intact and more beautiful. It comes with a high-quality tempered film, making it more convenient and cost-effective. At the same time, it can provide adequate protection for your phone. 2. Caseology Vault. The Caseology Parallax phone case has a simple, flexible design that delivers robust protection while maintaining a minimalistic appearance. It protects your phone without adding a lot of bulk. The Parallax from Caseology has a great hexagonal pattern texture for increased grip, as well as a rubber bumper that nicely wraps around the volume and power buttons. It's still sleek and light, and it'll protect your phone from a few drops, or 3. The 3D Hexacube design improves ergonomics and includes a built-in dial grasp on each side for a firm grip. On both sides, raised bezels around the screen and camera ring provide additional protection. 1. Spigen Ultra Hybrid. This case is made of a hybrid material that blends polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane, allowing it to be soft to the touch in some parts while remaining strong and shockproof in others. The huge camera lenses on your Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are also protected by a higher lip surrounding the camera module. Spigen's Ultra Hybrid offers exceptional protection for your Pixel 6 and 6 Pro by combining robust PC, polycarbonate, and soft TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane. When you place the phone face up or down on a table, raised bezels protect the phone's screen and camera lenses from hitting the surface. All buttons are clicky accessible thanks to the precision button covers. So guys, this was the video about the best Google Pixel 6 Pro cases 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.